Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video is brought to you by RIRIHAIR. So today I'll be reviewing a Waterway 360 frontal wig. This is virgin human hair. It's 20 inches, a natural color, 150% density. Construction is 360 like I told you guys. It's a medium-sized cap. Their medium-sized cap is a 22.5. I have a 23-inch circumference head, but mediums from human hair companies usually work just fine for me. This on this wig is light brown. It's a pre-plucked hairline. The bleached knots, it says it's the whole front is bleached, and it has an elastic band in the cap. They're having Black Friday sales. Some of them are already underway and some of them are, you know, actually on Black Friday. So if you are interested in any of the wigs that I feature on my channel, especially this week, definitely check the description box and their websites to see if they have any Black Friday deals or anything going on. So this is what the wig looks like, and this is fresh out the pack. I usually wash all of my curly wigs before I wear them, and this water wave texture is so pretty. So this is what the 20 inches is looking like on me. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps in the back. I took my adjustable elastic band out, but I think I'm just gonna adjust the straps in the back. I like that companies are starting to put the adjustable elastic bands in their wig. Anything to make the process of application a lot easier is fine by me. Okay, now she is snug. Guys, so I'm back and I have finished applying this wig. I told you guys I styled this out of the box. I did not wash it before I installed it. I usually do, but I wanted to see how easy it would be if I didn't wash it, and I just, you know, applied it without washing it, and it was actually pretty easy. I just had to make sure I had the lace together and everything, and just be kind of strategic when it comes to baby hairs, because baby hairs look good with curly wigs, but I still don't want to overdo it. So I was at Dollar General recently and I was looking for just some leave-in conditioner for my curly wigs, because I knew I was going to be reviewing a lot of curly wigs. So I picked up two Cantu products here. One is the Comeback Curl. It's the Next Day Curl Revitalizer. It refreshes curls, reduces frizz, adds shine, and it has like a spray nozzle, moisturizing curl activating cream, and this activates curls and delivers volume and shine. It reveals frizz-free bouncy curls. I liked how fluffy the curls were just right out the pack, so I didn't want to get it too wet looking. Curls actually they don't feel like sticky or anything. They look very fluffy. They look more lived in and everything, more so than they did, you know, right out the box. So it still has that pretty water wave curl pattern. It just has a little bit more frizz to it, which makes it look more natural, and I just fluffed it out with my hands. I didn't use a Denman brush or anything this time with this wig. I'm gonna wear it out the box as a middle part how it came, but I decided to wear it as a side part. I don't have this side glued down because I knew the bang was gonna fall on this side. I just have this side over here adhered down with the Got To Be Glued Free spray. I did use a little bit of heat at the top because I do like the volume with the wig, but the volume that it had was a little bit too much for me, so I did tone it down with my hot comb. Take my razor comb and off camera, I took my razor comb and added a little bit of a layer to the front, and I think that made a huge difference in how it looks, and it's not just like one length all the way through. I think that's very, very pretty, adding that layer to it. So I don't have issues with shedding, and as far as tangling goes, with my curly human hair wigs, and I've said this in other videos, I don't really have issues with tangling because I don't manipulate my curly wigs when they are dry. Just like with my natural hair, I only manipulate my hair when it has water or something on it, so I don't have to deal with you know, tangles and stuff like that. So this is actually really, really pretty. I do love this curl pattern, and I'm glad I added that layer to it. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig from RIRIHAIR, you can head over to their website. Check their website. I'm sure, just like with most companies right now, they're having a Black Friday sale. Check the description box. It should be some information down there for you guys. If there's coupon codes, use those as well. Shout out to RIRIHAIR for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you guys for watching another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.